Today our topic is lipid and their classification. The term lipid is used by Bloor in 1943. Lipid is a larger group which includes fats and fat-like substances such as oils, phospholipids, steroids, vitamin A, D, E, K, carotenoids, wastes and quinones. All the substances of this group structurally may not be similar to fat, but all of them are soluble in fat solvents such as ether, alcohol, benzene, chloroform, acetone, and petroleum ethers. In general, lipids may be considered to be compounds which are insoluble in water but soluble in fat solvents and which are chemically either esters of fatty acids or hydrolytic products of such esters. Lipids are generally classified into simple lipids, compound lipids and the derived lipids. And we can say lipids are the esters of fatty acids. Fatty acids are carboxylic acids having usually more than 4 carbon atoms and are soluble in organic solvent. Fatty acids may be of two types, saturated or unsaturated. Saturated are palmitic, stearic acid, these are solids, and unsaturated is oleic acid, these have double bonds in carbon chain and are liquids or liquids होते हैं. Lipid is a heterogeneous group of chemicals and constitute the bulk of organic matter in cells. The protoplasm have a small fraction of lipids. 3 types of lipids occur in protoplasm. Number 1, the true fats, oils. Number 2, the phospholipids, that is the phospholipids. And the third one is sterols, phytosterols. The simplest lipids contain only carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and by hydrolysis they yield glycerol and fatty acids. In contrast to simple lipids are the waxes, related substances in which the glycerol is replaced by the longer chain alcohol. Right? Thus we can say the simple lipids are the ester of fatty acid with various alcohols. Examples of this class are neutral fats and waxes, and the fats are the triesters of glycerol and fatty acids, while waxes are the esters of fatty acid with long chain alcohol. Uses of lipids. The important uses of lipids are as follows. Number 1, the lipids are used as heat insulators. Second one is lipid functions as reserve supplies of energy in body. Third one is lipids are used in manufacture of soap. Fourth one is certain lipids such as linseed oil, castor oil, palmitic oil are used in varnishes and paints as purgatives and in candles preparation respectively. Fats. Chemically, fats are triglycerides. Since 3 molecules of fatty acid condense with 1 molecule of glycerol to yield fat. Right? For example, if 3 molecules of butyric acid are linked to glycerol, the product is tributylene, a fat. Similarly, palmitic acid condenses to produce tripalmitine. Right? You can see in the equation. Now comes to classification of lipids. Bloor in 1964 classified lipids into 3 groups as follows. Number 1, simple lipids. Number 2, compound lipids. And number 3 is derived lipids. Simple lipids. They are the esters of fatty acids with various alcohol. Example, fats, oils and waxes. Waxes are the esters of fatty acids with monohydroxy aliphatic alcohol higher than glycerol. Number 2, compound lipids. These are the esters of alcohol and fatty acids in combination with other compounds such as the phospholipids, glycolipids and sulfolipids. 3 types of lipids are there. The compound lipids may be phospholipids, lipids having phosphoric acid and a nitrogen base. Glycolipids, lipids having a carbohydrate acid and a nitrogen, phosphorus and glycerol absent, totally absent. Third one is sulfolipids. These lipids have sulfate group. Third one is derived lipids. These lipids are hydrolytic products of naturally occurring lipids. Simple and compound lipids, which still possesses the general physical characteristics of lipids. Derived lipids include fatty acids, alcohol and steroids. Steroid usually includes sterol and steroids. The steroids having oxyl group is known as sterol, and the steroid form a group of substances which are conventionally considered along with the lipid, though they are differ from the greatly in chemical structure. Common sterol are cholesterol, ergosterol, etc. Now, Korn and Stumpf classified lipids into 4 groups as follows. In 1966, number 1, natural lipid like triglycerides. Number 2, phospholipids, example lecithin. Third one is glycolipid, example is cytolipids. Number 4 is terpenoids, which includes carotenoids and steroids. And Davidson et al. In 1972 classified lipids as follows. Number 1, energy storage lipids, that is fatty acids. Number 2, phospholipids, and the number 3 is steroids. Lipids are classified on the basis of their chemical nature as number 1, fatty acids. These are of 2 types, saturated fatty acids and the unsaturated fatty acids. Number 2 is glycerol lipids. Glycerol lipids are of another again 4 types, natural lipids, phospholipids, plasmograms and the phosphatidylpeptides. Number 3, lipids derived from lipids devoid of glycerol. Number 1, sphingolipids, waxes, steroids and terpenes. 4 is complex lipids, lipoproteins, lipopolysaccharides and proteolipids. Okay. Now we can say lipids are classified into 4 groups on the basis of their chemical structure. Fatty acids, glycerol lipids, lipids devoid of glycerol and the complex lipids. Okay. Now comes to structure of lipids. You can see the major saturated fatty acids found in plants and animals in this table, like butyric acid. Common source is butter. Caproic acid, common source is butter. Now caprylic acid, it is found in coconut oil and palm oil. Then lauric acid, found in laurel, camel oil. Now comes to mystric acid, which is found in nutmeg oil. Again palmitic acid, which is found in palm oil and animal fat. Stearic acid, found in cocoa butter. And the eretic acid, found in peanut oil. These are the saturated fatty acids found in plants and animals, right?